It is great to be heading this company here in the UK with such a good team behind me. The success is down to the people we employ, so they're all part of the team. They're all part of my success, the success of the company. We pride ourselves that we give our customers bespoke solutions that they require, not sell them something that we would like them to have. We handle all aspects, starting with engineering, project management, delivery through the machine, installation, training of all staff until the customer is satisfied with his product and services. We also train our customers to ensure that their equipment lasts a lifetime and beyond expectation. We see ourselves as a partner to our customers, and they can rely on us for many years to come.